came the lady with the alligator purse.
On the road less traveled, we often try to stay at the spot less stopped at. In Lexington, Kentucky, that was Jordan Horse Farm. There's something about ditching the hotel that makes you feel, well, like you live there. Because in a way, you do. Instead of being cooped up in a hotel room, we had all this land to wander. We get our feet wet in terms of country living.
This grass is soaking. Mom, did it rain last night?
What's morning dew? And there's nothing like mornings on the farm. See how the sky greets the day down here? It's gorgeous. We like staying at Jordan Farm because, well, there were kittens to pet, a countryside to wander, a barn to discover, a swimming hole to conquer, family pictures to take, and where you can come face to face with a horse. Because that's all you really want when you're visiting horse country. Let me show you where we stayed. Here's our little house right off the main house. It'll always be, well, our home away from home.